to know budgie is male or female. Not able to determine the gender of a budgie. However, here are some signs that can help you determine if your budgie is male or female. 1. Body shape. Budgies have different body shapes depending on their gender. Males tend to have more masculine features, such as a more muscular build and larger beaks. 2. Color. Budgie colors can also vary depending on their gender. Male budgies typically have brighter and more bold colors, while female budgies tend to have more muted colors. 3. Flight feathers. Male budgies have stronger and more muscular flight feathers than female budgies. Additionally, male budgies will often have more extensive feathering on their wings. 4. Behavior. Male budgies are known for their loud and impressive courtship rituals. They will flutter their wings, honk their beaks, and perform other dramatic acts to attract females. 5. Egg coloration. Female budgies will lay colored eggs that mimic the surrounding vegetation. Male budgies do not lay eggs, so their coloration will be different from female budgies. Overall, it's important to keep an eye on your budgie's behavior and appearance to determine their gender. However, if you're unsure, you can consult a veterinarian or bird expert for further guidance.